What do you got there?
These are 1-inch shells. Not very powerful, but they're good. We'll be lighting these off as soon as Eric gets here. Now, you got to be careful. Sometimes there's sparks in there, and you ignite this. So
Mortar shells?
Always keep your head out of the way.
Yeah.
Sometimes there's debris. Boom! You go up at any moment. Always be prepared.
He's got all kind of neat stuff going on over here too. Fireworks. Woohoo! All right. Those are bigger ones, huh?
Oh, these are much
How
bigger.
come everybody's over there?
You can go over there.
No.
That's our families over there too. Mikey, Trina, Kayla, Lynette, Rick.
Here, let me help you.
Will you put those back in there?
Yeah, these are reusable.
Do you keep these things?
Yeah, that's the holder.
Oh,
Wow, those are big ones. They're coming this way. Look at that. Wow, that's pretty neat. That got my, almost got in my hair.
God, it's like falling on me.
Yeah. Those are active fireworks. Gotta run and hide. You gotta do two at a time?
For a minute there.
We're gonna do these when Eric comes back, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot this one right now.
Okay, one shot.
Oh no! Jesus!
Get back, this is gonna be pretty loud. Wow. All right, that's good. Yeah.